Hi, I'm Becky Johnson with Sweetheart Quilt Design Company, and today I want to address a common problem that us quilters have. It's the old thing of telling your family, do not come into my quilting room without your shoes on, because there will be pins on the floor. And it's such a pain, especially if you drop them underneath your quilting desk or something and it's dark down there and you can't see them. So I want to show you something fun. I've got a mat on the floor so you can see these because they blend in with the carpet. A whole bunch of pins on the floor. Oh no. Of course, usually with us, it's one at a time or a few at a time, or you knock the box off. I've done that more times than I'd like to think. So this is a lighted pin picker upper, and we've got these. You can look below and go to our website to get these. And they telescope out. Yay, I don't have to bend over or crawl underneath the desk. And there's a light so I can see what I'm doing, and it's magnetic. Oh boy. Yay. This is right up there with one of the greatest things since sliced bread. Oh, I knocked it off. There it is. I can see it. But with the light, you can see that stuff when it goes underneath your sewing desk. If it's dark under there, like if it's against the wall. Anyway, just a fun thing. So we'll talk to you next time. Thanks a bunch. Like us and subscribe.